This is an important message for Department of Social and Health Services, Medicaid, and General Assistance unemployable clients in the state of Washington. The way you identify yourself and your medical coverage is changing. In the past, the department has mailed you a monthly medical ID card that you showed your provider. This monthly medical ID card is being replaced with a new permanent plastic services card. The services card is free. Each member of your household covered by the Department of Social and Health Services Medicaid will receive his or her own permanent services card. The card will help identify the coverage you have. The new services card can be used for medical, dental, and vision services. The change to the new services card will occur at the same time the new provider payment system called Provider One is implemented. You should bring both your services card and your current medical ID card to any healthcare appointment until the last paper medical card expires. You do not have to activate your new services card. The card will be activated automatically and it's a permanent card. You don't have to replace it every month. Don't worry about loss of privacy. The new services card doesn't contain any personal health information. The front of the card will have 3 key pieces of information: your name, your special Provider One client ID number, and the date the card was issued. The back of the card has a magnetic strip. This magnetic strip doesn't contain any personal information, only the Provider One client ID number and the card control number. This magnetic strip allows any provider who chooses to use a card reader to access Provider One's client eligibility information. There are instructions to keep and present the card to providers when requesting services. You will have the 1-800 number to call if you need to replace a lost, stolen, or destroyed card. Finally, there are instructions reminding providers to verify eligibility and identity. The services card makes it easy for your provider to check on your coverage. But there are other ways your doctor, dentist, or vision provider can check your eligibility. So even if you don't have your card with you, your provider can still verify your coverage. For example, if you don't have your card, you may be asked for any of the following: your full name and date of birth, your full name and social security number, your social security number and date of birth, or your Provider One client ID number. If your permanent services card is lost, stolen, or destroyed, it can be replaced. Just call 1-800-562-3022 to request a replacement card. Remember, if you have an appointment or need to be seen for an appointment, your medical, dental, or vision provider will use your new services card to quickly check on your coverage. And if you lose your card, you can simply call toll-free for a replacement card. Call 1-800-562-3022. Your new permanent services card will arrive in the mail with instructions on how to use it.